welcome back to another video. I know you've all been waiting for this. Camping 1 Part 2. That's right. We're finally going back to this because I haven't shown you the ending, but it's very classic, so most of you probably know about this. So I'm sorry if this is boring, but you're finally gonna get to see this. I'm gonna try to make it to the end. Then another day I'll make a walkthrough where I don't say anything. Okay, guys? Everyone's trying to go. Wonder what's up here. Nothing. I heard that. Oh, I found the med kit. Yeah, I can heal my friends. Why are they only 4? So in here, I heard that on the secret ending, in here is actually Zed Nolan. His face is horrifying. Remember Zed Nolan camping 2? That's him. We just realized that. Teach me how to get free Robux, guys. Anyways, yeah. We're just gonna enjoy this nice and peaceful music. It's amazing. I will heal you. You can show them the floor and they'll go collect. Only for camping 1. On the floor. Then you can. Who's actually talking? Is it the narrator? How do we even hear who's talking? If it's just words appearing on the screen, how do the players see their words? I think camping 2 is more appropriate cause it's actually Park Ranger Daniel and other peeps talking. I don't like the fact that in camping 1 it's not like that. The fact that in camping 1 no one talks. It's Jesus, I think. Jump scare. Run. Following this guy who seems like a pro. Who's gonna get the basket later? Who wants a heal? Rejected. Training. Oh my god, I saw him. I didn't notice that the previous time. Maybe you guys did. I do that. Ow! Ow! Nah, 1 health is... Never mind. Okay, this is taking quite long. Oh, finally the sun's rising. Technically, this game is bad. I'm just kidding, it's so popular! Oh no, wow, the tanks collapsed. Holy crap! Oh, the tents are floating! Oh my god. From here, it doesn't look like it. If you look at the bottom, you can see that the tents are floating. What the hell? You might be wondering, when will I start recording on PC? IDK, yeah. I don't know. One day, but how am I gonna send it on my mobile channel? Easy. I just need to record, then I get the thingy, and then I just need to send it to my iPhone, and then I can just send it to YouTube. That's pretty simple. If not, I'll just have a PC gaming, and this one will be my mobile gaming. Look at this glitch. The last time you should already know everything that happened. I'm just gonna recap everything that happened in case you didn't watch the previous video. Okay. Night is approaching. Oh, hi Park Ranger Daniel. I'm Park Ranger Daniel. Park Ranger Daniel. From Camping 2, the one who can either be shot or not be shot. Yeah. How did he get up there? Oh. Easy. Come on. We forget the picnic basket. Ooh. Is this guy brave enough? Oh, that guy's brave enough. I'll heal him. Lol, look at his face. I'll heal him. Lol, lol, lol. What the hell? Anyone brought the picnic basket back? Did they never return? Anyone needs med kits? Anyone returned it yet? Did he get it back? No. I'm gonna heal this guy. he get it back? I regen someone. I regen the guy with very low health. Super. No, he didn't get it. He went out and tried to, but he couldn't find it. If I die, don't blame me. Anyone made it back? This guy's going for the kill. Hopefully he doesn't die. This one, camping 1's hard. Harder than camping 2, I tell you. Harder! Is he coming back? I'm guessing they died. He probably got lost and died. Wish I found the umbrella. Together, guys. They die. There's still a guy out there. First, I need to heal this guy. I think she died. Ah, she died. Someone was like, go, 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 and then he's probably gonna die. We had Chinese singing in the background. Hopefully he didn't die. Is he coming back? I'm pretty sure he died. I think he's dead. He's dead. Now I'm gonna kill myself. The pond? Okay. No, no. No, why am I such a noob? I'm still alive. That's awesome. fast, be fast, be fast. I don't want to die. I can see the cave. And I got the basket. The basket has been returned by me. No, my med kits are empty. How's not getting the basket? Yummy. Oh, they look good. It's always me who gets poisoned by the way. I'm gonna die. I'm still gonna get poisoned and die. Gonna beat me! Wait, no! No! Killing myself. Guys, we'll be back in a jiffy. Hey everybody. So guys, we're back. But this time I'm playing with my brother, right? Yep. And we're talking to Park Ranger Daniel, and I realized that not only are the tents floating, I think this deer's floating too. Wait, no, it's not. Anyways, you might be wondering why it's not at the part where we get poisoned. That's because let me think about this. Let me think. Oh, that's because this part is very near and I'm too lazy. So yeah, we're just gonna continue from here, okay? I just can't wait to continue because this is a clone with weird hair. Maybe someone thought Zed Nolan was him. Someone thought
He's not Zed Nolan.
he even has the same face as Park Ranger Daniel. Why don't we get to see him in camping too? They're friends. Somehow because they are both Park Rangers. Earlier we saw a frog, we could actually pick it up. That was so cool.
Yeah.
It's actually very hard to get. It's very rare.
If you don't hold it, you'll just fall.
It's so cool.
We're gonna have the third night.
Wonder what a frog does.
When the night
Yeah.
I gotta go to out to get the
Oh, I already have a minute kid. I can
I
do
gotta
anything.
go out to
What the tree noobs? I didn't know that. Let me check. There are tree noobs.
stupid noobs to go with.
Then these are the only people.
Little newbies. I love newbies.
These are the only people left other than us.
How much nights do you have to stay?
I think it's 4.
No, it's way more than 10 to 2.
I know it's 3. Camping 2 is you only need to stay 1 night.
No, it's 3.
Camping 2 is only 1 night.
No, it's 3 nights.
Camping 2, the first night you sleep, which is 1 night. Then the second night the Pinewood Trail, and then after that,
And then after
when you
that,
want,
get
but when you want, you did have damage. And then and then when you want to go in the hole, when you want to go where when you want the hole, when you want to go in the hole, it's considered 1 night, but you don't sleep. The second day is already. Lol, I'll just shoot them.
Kill!
I say heal. Where do you go? Oh, hello.
I can kill it.
No, you only have very less damage. We're not coming back yet.
Yeah. They're coming.
Hallelujah. Hey,
What to do?
which one has lesser health? The guy with the weird tail? I hit the guy with the weird tail. Don't eat. I healed this guy. I healed this guy. I'm gonna heal
Actually, you
everyone.
can kill me actually. If I get poisoned.
Oh yeah, but then my thing's still loading. But someone wants me to heal him.
I ate it.
I only heal the person that gets poisoned.
Sandwich.
It's almost loading then. 2, 1. It's you!
It didn't work.
No!
No.
That was so bad! Even other people feel bad for you. I'm sorry, but you did. All you had to say for yourself.
This game is the worst.
Anyways, what's gonna happen now? You didn't get to see it last time.
No, this one.
Everyone is saying no.
Everyone.
Everyone misses you.
Everyone, you say.
Yes.
Oh,
so
the stupid magic work.
I healed you at the wrong time. I'm sorry. I just need to heal this guy now. I healed you when you had full health. That's why. I'm sorry.
I'm so mad.
Ah, it's not my fault.
I'm not blaming you. I'm blaming the game.
On which set should we go? I'll go with this guy.
Just watching Dennis.
Ouch! Someone died. Oh, this guy died. I'll heal you. Let's go. Ah! He picked up from the corner. He scared me.
Camping part 11.
You scared me so badly. Come on, let's go.
This is camping part 11.
That was so scary. He scared the hell out of me. Hey, come down, guys. Oh, he came down. Is this parkour?
Keep going.
Or is this a bear? Oh, be careful. There are bears in this maze. Okay, who am I gonna follow? I'm gonna heal.
Completely normal forever.
Yeah,
This is really how the game.
the sun is rising.
Hey, there's a part, camping part 11.
Part 11? Oh, it's called prison.
No, it was part 10.
This camping trip has turned into a disaster. Obviously. That monster seems to only attack at night. I think one of the bear trap got him. Who's gonna be? This bear trap's a fake. Ouch! Stupid bear trap! Ow! Can you laugh in this game? You can laugh in this game! Can you cry in this game? Nope. But you can at least laugh in this game. Look, look, look. You can laugh in this game. Look. That's laughing in this game. Night is approaching soon. Where's all my other friends? Someone else there? Where's the other guy? Oh, he's in the tent. night is approaching.
Everyone.
Night is approaching. Find out who's gonna get kidnapped. Please don't be me. It's gonna be me. You know it.
What?
Wait, it's not. Oh, let's quickly go into 10.
What?
Go into 10!
Just go on yourself.
Alright, let's stay here. Hopefully he can find me in time. Or hopefully I can find him in time. Oh no, it's not me! But I think I know where that guy is. Where is he? I found him. I've saved him. Let's go. Oh no, it's raining. Okay, I'm safe. Oh no! He didn't make it in the rain. Now strange darkness gonna fill the ground. When did you go see? I'm gonna go out as soon as he sees. As soon as he sees that. This game is scary. Let's do this in first person. A strange darkness is filling the forest. Get to higher ground. Oh my god, it really is filling the ground, isn't it? It's filling the whole ground. Go dance. This is the solo ending, guys, but I don't know where the monster is. Oh god! He killed me! Oh god! Okay, guys, there we have it. Camping 1 Part 2! I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.